Hi, Dwayne Raines with KeyDigital Systems here. I'm here with my good friend Ralph Quimby, the owner of TPG Communications. He's one of our premier dealers up here in the New York area. And we're at Pig Beach BBQ in Long Island City, which is a recent installation with Ralph's team. And Ralph, tell us a little bit about what we're going to see here. Tell us what's all included in this AV over IP AV system here at Pig Beach.
Well, we have about 20 sources, all direct TVs, PCs, streaming devices, and around 50 TVs displays.
Oh, wow.
From 55 inches, 65 inches to about 300 inches. We also have outdoor TVs. We have a video wall that's 3 by 2 high, which is around another 260 inches. We also have a VIP bar that has in a row four bars with sound throughout, with 6 different zones. You can control each individually. From the outside veranda here to the inside bar to the island, you can control all the volumes.
And you're controlling all of this with our compass control system.
100%.
Right? All
Correct.
on iPad.
Yes.
So anyone can control it.
Anyone. Well, this is the proof that anyone can control, because we literally have a guy who's behind the line be able to change TVs on the fly.
Absolutely. That's the beauty of Compass, is as long as the programming's done well, which you guys did, that anyone can walk in and control, not that you want just anyone to do that, but anyone on your staff can walk in and control the whole AV over IP system.
Definitely.
And we say like 20 by 50 roughly AV over IP.
Yes.
And you guys are going to love this.
Love it.
Come on out and see Pig Beach BBQ in Long Island City.